Okay, so in this video I will show you how to install the IDEA IntelliJ integrated development environment for Java, so you can start working on the tasks in the Interactive Java Workbook. So the first thing that we need to do is to open the browser and type IntelliJ, and once we get the result there should be a download link here, so click on it, and now you will see that there are two versions of IntelliJ IDEA available here. First is the ultimate version, which is a paid version, full version, and also there is the community edition, which is free to use. So both versions work well with the Interactive Java Workbook, so we will go for the community edition, and now we will download it. So I will stop the download because I've already downloaded the file, and in my downloads folder you can see that the file is loaded as an archive file. So all that I need to do, it's just like a zip file, I just need to extract everything here. So right click on it and you can choose, for example, extract here, and now the archiver will start extracting the files. So the installation is actually not an installation here, because all you need to do is extract the files and start the script file, and JetBrains IDEA, IntelliJ IDEA will start. So once this is extracted, that's all fine. You get a folder like this, you enter the folder once again and you find the bin folder, and at this point you should start this file. So you do it from the terminal. There are other options, yes, but I will show the most simple one. So right click and open in terminal once you're in the bin folder, yeah, and then just type this, so ./idea.sh. so this is in order to start this script file, and then you type enter, and at that point the IntelliJ IDEA starts. So here is a little notification that you can create yourself a launcher, not start it like this. I will not explain this at this point. So this is it, the IntelliJ IDEA has started. So please see the other videos. This one is specific for Linux installation, and the other ones are just for working with IntelliJ and the Interactive Java Workbook.